Welcome to the demo video of Echoes of Sound. Let's start by introducing our decryption tool, the Sonic Gun. This device can emit 3 different frequency sound waves. Left leaf trigger mid-frequency. Right lead activate low frequency. And middle lead initiate high frequency. You need to use a short-range sonic gun to emit the specified sonic frequency of the switch in order to locate the axis and leaf. Align the gun with the corresponding color switch, and you can open the doors. However, you may encounter issues with the sonic gun range being insufficient. Fortunately, we have a frequency converter which can extend our sonic waves. Now there might be a situation where we can't escape in time, and that's where our frequency converter comes into play. It extends the range of our sonic gun sound waves and lasts for a duration. Unlike previous version, this frequency converter features a rotating device, which you can control by pressing Q and E. Next up are objects we can influence. Yellow objects can move when they are hit with mid-frequency sound waves. Red objects actually get bigger with low-frequency sound waves. And blue objects, high-frequency sound waves will cause them to shatter. Now, let's reinforce what we learned so far. As we can see, frequency converters can transmit sound waves to each other. Moving on to the final mechanics, the frequency-altering frequency converter. In some situations, we need to adjust the frequency of sound waves. This is where our frequency shifter comes into play. It has the ability to change the received frequency. As demonstrated, blue increases the input frequency, while, conversely, red decreases the current frequency. Alright, that's the through on level 2, getting the hang of frequency changes, along with a few maze puzzle through. As we progress to level 3, the combination of mechanics become more intricate. If you choose to go left and take the gem, you can get clues about the hidden room. This room contains some experimental video about how sonic waves can change the shape of objects. This video has inspired the terrain transformation mechanic in my game, where I incorporated the effects of sound waves on the physical form of objects. Once triggered, we need to collect keys to unlock the maze. Next, let's take a simple look at the new elements in the third level. Of course, there are some hidden terrain as well. If you didn't see the hidden information earlier, hints will also be provided here. Finally, we have a comprehensive level that incorporates all the mechanics. Of course, there are also some hidden places in the previous level. The entire game features a total of 21 puzzles. I will look forward to your exploration.